Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys real quick, it's going to be a short video. I'm going to show you guys how to upload your music into your iMovie. It's a really simple process. So once you have your project open here, go ahead and click on the little down arrow button. It's going to bring up your files folders, and all you have to do is find the track that you want. For example, I'll click on this, I'll click on import selection, and there's my track inside my movies folders. All you have to do from there is grab it and just click it down and drag it to your project, and now you have your audio track onto your project. If you guys have any questions, you guys want to know more, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want. I'll go ahead and try to make a video on that. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy these tutorials, and I'll see you on my next clip.